Hello dear friends, I Professor Basuraj Kuruche welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. This is module number 1, video number 2. In first video we have seen the introduction about the contents of the syllabus and the things what we would be discussing in the syllabus. Today we will be discussing with the first module of your marketing management, that is management information system. In this module we will be beginning with the some basic concepts about marketing information system. Before going to marketing information system, I would like to just tell you all once again the simple meaning or simple concept of marketing which you have studied already in your previous semester. That is, marketing is the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producer to consumer or user. It is a flow of information, or it is a process wherein the goods from the producer till it reaches to the final consumer or user, the process involved everything right from packing, marketing, pricing, all, or the supply chain, everything includes in marketing. So what is this marketing information system? When we say marketing, right from the producer till the goods reach the final consumer, a lot of decisions need to be taken at every set of step. To take these decisions, whatsoever the information is required, because for everything, for taking any decision, we require some or the other information, and this information is very important or crucial to make decisions at certain level of points. So here the management information system is having, or management is having more so some basic set of activities to do, that is planning, organizing, coordinating, directing and controlling. And for each of these steps the information need is very much essential. To plan we require information, to organize we require information, coordinate we require information, directing or deciding we require information, and controlling everything we require information. So this information is essential at every stage of management or marketing. With that view, here marketing information system is to be understood. Marketing information consists of people, equipment and procedure to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, distribute needed timely and accurate information to marketing decision makers. The marketing decision makers make decision at every set of point. At every stage they make decision, and to make decision information is very much essential. Take an example. When a product is designed, we need to think, or we need to have information about the recent trends. What is the recent information available? Need to be analyzed. The recent taste of the consumers, that is an information required. What our competitors are doing, that information is also essential. So at every point of time the information is very much essential, and this information is considered while deciding the design of the product, packing system or packing of the product, pricing of the product, what competitors are pricing. All these information is very much essential. So The marketing information consists of people, equipment, and procedures to gather or to sort, analyze, evaluate, distribute needed, timely, and accurate information to marketing decision makers. The decision makers may take decision at any sort of time or at any stage, but the information is required to take these decisions. And without knowing or without having information, if we take decisions, those decisions may be wrong and it may lead to losses in the organization. So, these informations are to be analyzed, sorted, evaluated, and gathered to take information. Without knowing, without understanding, or without studying the scenario, if we take decision, we may end up with losses. Therefore, marketing information consists of people, equipment, and procedures to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, distribute needed, timely, and accurate information to marketing decision makers. Here, the level of decision making can be distinguished from one another, that is strategic decision, controlling decision, changing, structural, etc. etc. So all these decisions are taken based upon the information available, and marketing information system is a system wherein it provides the platform, that is information to make decisions at every stage. So, marketing information system is very much essential. In previous semester, you all have studied the basic concepts of marketing. Now, the most important concepts which are practically essential for your career have been added to your syllabus, that is management, that is marketing management. So here in marketing management, the first module is about marketing information system. So this information is very much essential at every stage for that, so that the information is used to take decisions at various stages. Marketing decision makers use the data to identify and solve marketing related problems. Whatever the marketing related problem it may be, at any stage it may be, at that stage the information or the problem need to be solved, and to solve these problems or these hurdles, the information is essential, and that is what our marketing information system does. It provides a platform or a base or information so that the people involved in this decision making process can gather, sort, evaluate, analyze, and distribute the information and make decisions at appropriate time and solve the business problems. So this is the simple concept of marketing information system. In upcoming classes, we shall see the definition of marketing information system and other concepts. So in this class, we shall stop here. Since you people have to give your attendance after watching the video, please comment your registration number and name in the comment box so that the views and the comments can be tallied and attendance can be awarded. And this attendance need to be sent to university on day-to-day basis. Therefore, I request you people to give attendance and comment in the comment box. So till then, we shall stop here. Tomorrow we shall begin with the definition of marketing information system and other concepts. Thank you. Good day.